AI is replacing jobs faster than most people realize. Not in the future, right now. Some of these tools can already do the work of designers, programmers, researchers, video editors, and assistants. And the crazy thing is, most people still don't even know they exist. So today, I'm going to show you 5 AI tools that are already replacing entire jobs. And one of them can literally create videos from text. I'm Mario, and this is AI by Mario, where I show you how to use AI easily in your day-to-day life. Let's start with the first one. Imagine replacing 30 minutes of Googling with one question. Normally, when you research something, you open Google, open a bunch of tabs, read different articles, and try to piece everything together. But AI can now do that entire process instantly. One of the best tools for this is Perplexity AI. You can ask something like, explain me electric cars in simple terms, or compare the best electronic devices, and it searches the internet, analyzes sources, and summarizes everything for you in seconds. So instead of spending hours researching a topic, you can get a clear answer almost instantly. Now, let's move to the second job AI is replacing. What if you could create a professional graphic just by describing it? AI image generators can now create designs in seconds. One example is Nano Banana Pro, which is part of the Banana protocol integrated into Google's AI ecosystem like Gemini. You simply describe what you want and the AI generates the image. Another very powerful tool is Midjourney. You can type something like a futuristic cyberpunk city at night with neon lights, and within seconds, the AI generates multiple high quality images. People are now using these tools for YouTube thumbnails, social media graphics, marketing visuals, and website images. Things that previously required hiring a professional designer. Now, here's the third job AI is transforming. What if you could build a software without knowing how to code? AI coding tools are making that possible. One powerful example is Cursor. You can literally tell it something like build a website with a login system, and the AI generates the code automatically. Developers now use AI to write code, fix bugs, build applications much faster. But the really interesting part is that even people with zero coding experience can now start building software. Now, let's talk about video editing. What if you could generate an entire video without filming anything? AI video tools are evolving extremely fast. Platforms like Runway can already automate many editing tasks, but new AI models go even further. Models like Veo from Google, Sora from OpenAI, and Seedance from ByteDance generate entire video scenes from text prompts. For example, you can type something like a cinematic drone shot flying through a futuristic city, and the AI generates the video. We are entering a world where videos can be created with prompts instead of cameras. And finally, the last category is automation. What if your work could run completely on autopilot? Automation platforms allow you to connect different tools together. One of the most popular ones is Zapier. For example, AI can write a blog post, automatically publish it, send it to your email list, and post it on social media. All automatically. Tasks that previously required assistants or entire teams can now run automatically in the background. AI is not just another technology trend, it's a massive shift in how work gets done. And the people who learn how to use these tools early will have a huge advantage. If you want to learn how to use AI easily in your daily life, subscribe to the channel. Again, I'm Mario, this is AI by Mario, and I'll see you in the next video.